we're so over the moon. We're just so happy. It's been a really long, painful journey to get here to where we are today. It's been a process. We shouldn't have ever had to go through the suffering and the pain we've had to go through, having to share our stories so publicly, and going through all this effort, protests, interviews, debates, radio interviews, everything to get to where we are today. I myself went public with the campaign in February then, and since February it's been every single day. It's taken over my life and the lives of everyone else who has joined me. We can now get on with our lives and have hope for the future, for a change, and not fear the future, which we all have done for so long.